Okay, I want to do a unboxing and review of this UV light sanitizer. I don't know about you, but do you want to sleep better at night? Do you want to breathe cleaner air? Well, this may be the product for you. You can experience true peace of mind with this ozone-free surface sanitizing technology. This UV light can penetrate deep into mattresses, sofas, carpets, working to reduce bacteria, mold, dust mites, odors, and allergens. This is a chemical-free approach. Here it is. It comes with some sunglasses that'll help protect your eyes when you use this product. It comes with this little hanging tag that you can put on your door to let everybody know that there is a disinfection in progress. It comes with a user manual to explain how to use it, why to use it. I just wanted to make it clear. Here it says it right here. Our ultraviolet lamps do not generate ozone during the UV lamp operation. It comes with a remote that conveniently can be stored on top of the unit. You have a power button, you have a 15-minute cycle, you have a 30-minute cycle, and you have a 60-minute cycle for a deep clean. You just set it and forget it. I really like how you can conveniently store it at the top of the unit right here. All right, here's an overview of the product. This is a very clean product, the way this looks. Daily Top is the manufacturer. There's some good people. All right, let me go ahead and show you how this works. I currently have my glasses on, so I'm going to protect myself. When you press a timer, you'll see a color of red show up for the 15 minutes, and you'll start hearing a countdown. And then you're going to have a long beep, and then the light turns on. Once again, I am wearing the glasses. I'm not looking directly at the light, but here it is in action. You can smell all the dust mites that are just burnt away in this room. All right, you're going to notice when I walk into the room, it doesn't automatically shut off when somebody gets close to it. This does not have radar function. This is going to be more convenient than other products that are out there. Like I said, you got a 15-minute that's going to turn red. You got 30 minutes that's going to turn blue. And then you got a 60-minute one that's about white in color. Like always, I'll put a link in the description to purchase this product.